Well, hello guys, I'm just trying to do a little video to show you the new feature I've added integrating the FastClock into the CS. I'm holding this camera by hand, so I hope it's not too unsteady. Here's the automation file with my roster set up. I've got a few aliases, and then down here I've got the new command which is on clock time. And this works on the basis of passing the system an hour and a minute setting, and then you should be able to do anything within that, like a sequence or a route or something of that nature. Now over here I've got my CS with a little loco on a rolling road, which is a little bit unreliable, but we'll see if it works. Here's the actual LCD display, and I've got it actually on there echoing the clock. Here's my actual clock, which is currently paused, and across here we have engine driver running on an Android phone, and if you notice, but it's picking up the time which is being sent to the engine driver from the clock via the CS, and hopefully this will also echo any commands that the CS sends out from the X-ray or macro. Anyway, if we just whip back over here, we'll see that we've got, on the on clock time, I've got a sequence set for 6:15 and another one set for 6:25. Now within the CS, this gets held as just a record of minutes, so it's the number of hours times 60 plus the minutes. So the first episode will be 375 and the second will be at 385. So if I come back to the system monitor output and actually start the clock, hang on, I'll just change the speed rate, make it a bit faster to 12 times. I'll start the clock, and you should see some diagnostics coming out now, which means the CS is picking up the time from the clock and is going away and looking for a suitable event. So we should find the first match on an event at the time 375. If you come back over here now, you can see the clock incrementing. You can also see the time rolling round on the engine driver screen, and if it wasn't for the reflections from my lighting here, you'll see it on the LCD screen as well. So when we reach time 375, we should start to see something happening on the rolling road at the back. We just have to be patient, it won't be very many seconds. At 12 times, we're getting effectively a minute every 5 seconds, I believe, aren't we? Yes, something like that. The fastest speed I've got set up on the clock at the moment is a factor of 30, which means in real time we get a minute every 2 seconds. Sorry. Here we go. I didn't touch anything to make that happen, it was purely done by the time. Stopped rather abruptly, and hopefully at 6:25 we'll get another action which will just be going back in the other direction, and in the meantime the screen is still clocking round the checks. It's found an event at 385, so it's executing all the commands. It stopped now because I got bad contacts. I think I need to clean my rolling road. Anyway, that just gives you a flavour of how it works. And we're still, there you are. You just saw the engine driver click back down from speed 0 to speed 0. See, 39 down to 0. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Cheers.